What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute. Haven't had any life hacks or tips and tricks, but today, on this Grand Theft Auto beautiful snowy day, with the new Avenger, got some tips and tricks for you guys. Been watching a lot of YouTube videos on the Avenger, and what everybody has figured out, what to do, what you can do with it, what you can't do without it, or whatever the case may be. But I have figured out a way to taxi to runway and thermal and night vision with the Avenger. Even when shooting. Even when shooting with the guns, the turret that's mounted on. First time you land this bitch. Now, if you want to taxi with the Avenger, just keep holding down the brake and press down on the left thumbstick to go forward, L1, R1 to turn, and press up to go in reverse. Same goes for L1 and R1 to turn. Looks kind of funny doing it like this, but yeah, that's what it is. You set it down again. Down on the D-pad, goes forward. Turn right, turn left. Simple. Taxi to runway. Alright. And forward, if I want to brake, I'll just hold up, boom, come to a brake. Hold down again, left thumbstick, goes forward. Just a simple tip, could come in handy for somebody. Now, you want to do night vision on the gun turrets? I'll show you how. You have to have one of these masks, either the night vision mask or the night vision goggles, or the night vision mask like I have here. These masks, they can get at the mask store. So hold right on the D-pad, it turns on your night vision, and if I wanted to do thermal, I would get a thermal mask, which I have one set up in a boom. Want to do thermal? Boom, turn on your thermal, have a seat, and hit X to initiate the turret. Now voila, look, you have thermal on your fucking guns. So when your boy is flying and it's night or it's snowy in this case, you can see, you'll be able to spot anything that has that's warm-blooded. I'm holding right on the D-pad right now, so as soon as I get up out of here, it should be off. Yep, see, it's off. Now let's do the night vision. Night vision, boom. Oh shit, this is daytime, so yeah, but you get the idea. You get night vision. Doesn't work during the fucking day, but hell, fuck no, this is fucked up. Anyway, those are the only 2 tips and tricks I got for y'all. No need to like and subscribe. I'm not really a big YouTuber, but I do have one YouTube video that went viral. It's a Snapchat video, how to record your Snapchats without whoever you're recording getting a notification. But yeah, that's it. Holla at your boy.